So we've got another thing to check out. Again, Edui, just whatever you want, really. So this is the pack size of it, right? That's 840 grams, 840, light as a feather, like. Maybe it's a bit bulky for a, no, I don't know. You could get it on your backpack or in. So what you've got is a nice little bag, quite a strong bag actually. Hold on. You've got the legs and the top. So we'll start with the legs. All nicely folded up, just all concertinaed in. Look at that. Push them out. These come over. This goes in. It should fit in there. This one comes over, goes in there. That's it, opens it. That's it. Just open it a little bit more. We've got little holes in, so you can see the holes. I haven't got my specs on, so I know what I'm doing. Right, so that's the legs up. Really good. Nice, it feels solid, that leg. You get the top, it's got these built-in bands, so you can't lose them. It's a good idea, like, isn't it? You can't lose them. Unfold the top. That's, pretty sure that's aluminium. So I've watched a few reviews of this, and the best way to do it is put the thing on the deck. So line up the legs with these. There's these things in the table here, these bars. That's where you want the legs to go in there. So you've got, this is where they go. So clip it on. Just clip it in. Make sure that's all seated there. That's actually on. Double check it's all pushed down. Nice and firm. How quick was that? And that is one solid little table, that. Metal. So you don't need to worry about burning it. Light as a feather. It's got nice grippy feet. Nice and spread out like that. So if you're sitting there, right, you've got that, then get your Edui chair, whichever chair you want. No bending down. It's just all right there for you. Cup of tea, beer, whatever. I quite like the idea of the higher table, like, especially if you're using the chair. I suppose if you're not using the chair, it's a good height to work at. Let's see, I've got to have the gear out here. Just going through everything, tidying up and that. We'll just put this on. Nice, it's a good little worktop. Just do your stove work here. Like I say, this is metal. I didn't think it was metal, I thought it was plastic, but it's not. It's very lightweight aluminium. So to get it off, just push it off there like that. Nice and easy. Fold it all back up, concertina it all back up. Just do it properly. Don't rush it. Put the clips over. That's it. Push these out. Which one is it? Which side? That side there. That goes down like that. Ah, which way is it, man? Should always use your glasses if you can't see what you're doing. And then just push it all together like that. Back in the bag. Wow, that's as light as a feather, that. I bet that's only about 400 grams there. The legs. Alright, so it just comes out. good. I like it. Definitely easy to use anyway. So you put that on from the top, you can't really see what you're doing. Go straight on. Just shut me up, didn't it? So there you go. Edoe. I don't know how you say it. But yet again, I'm just trying things out. I'll take these on the next camp and give them a go. Because I like the idea of the higher table. That saves a lot of bending down and mucking about, doesn't it? Yep, good. I like it.